Hi everyone, so this is a quick tutorial on the IEP updating list. So what you need to do is to load the masterclass list and also the SAP program. From the masterclass list, you should find your name and then you're going to be updating the first period classes. The idea is that in the special education column, you'll know which students need to be updated because they will be indicated with a letter of some kind. So here, from the third last row, we see that this student needs to be updated because of the letter N. So we will highlight the student, copy that student's name, and then we're going to go to the SAP program. From the SAP program, you need to go to the search for SE case. In the third column, second row, you're going to paste the student's name. Unfortunately, it will only take it won't actually search the full name. So just enter the last name, search it, and it should populate. If you have multiple results, just find the student that matches your students, okay? Click the case ID. From there, we care about the first document, the most recent document. In this case, it's the 2023 IEP document. Click that. And what we need to do is that if it is a new student to the system, you'll see a copy IEP button close to the new button. But this student has already been in the system, so we need to update from PowerSchool. So click the update. It should have a check mark afterwards. If you copy it, it should have a check mark afterwards to show you that it worked successfully. From there, actually, you need to jump to page 5 first. So go down to page 5, and you need to check the dates of the evaluation dates, the report card evaluation dates. Make sure it is the following: November 8th, February 1st, April 16th, and June 28th. You may have to manually enter them. You may have to click through them depending on if it's available or not. Some of them will be already pre-populated. Some of them will not be. It depends on if the student was in the system or not in the system. Anyways, from there, go back up to page 1. Click Save. After that, just make sure that on page 1, the status is parent consultation and the status there for the IEP development status. Afterwards, I recommend you go to page 2. From page 2, you'll see that it's blank. Mine is populated because it's already been done, but yours would be blank. Go to the double square button, click that, and it will show all the courses the student is in. Click the 3 yellow squares, and it will highlight all the courses the student should be in. Click Choose, and it will then populate here. From there, you will go down to the attainment and make sure the Ontario Secondary School Diploma is highlighted or selected. In the accommodation section, there's nothing really to change unless you really think there needs to be a change, but you need to consult with the spec ed department head for that. Afterwards, page 3, there's nothing to be changed. Go to page 4. From page 4, you will see a whole bunch of teachers' names because we populated the courses that they are in. You need to do essentially a few things. You need to add yourself as a main contact and also as a teacher. Afterwards, you need to include the spec ed teacher and you need to include the vice principal. From here, how do you add a contact? Simply click the double square button, search up the person's name, search, it should populate, click it, and then click choose. I'm not going to proceed with it because I've already done so. But after you've done that, click save again. So saving multiple times just to ensure that it doesn't crash and you lose your progress. So after that, if you go to the home page, you should see students who are populated with IEPs in your classes. You just now need to repeat the process for all the students that are from your master list. So do the same thing, copy and paste the students into the SE case and continue to do so. Please note, this is a quick tutorial. I do recommend that you check the PowerPoint that was provided by the spec ed department to make sure that everything is done correctly. This tutorial is is to help you visualize and to help you understand the overall things that you need to do in an easy manner. Okay? Take care. Best of luck. Bye bye.